Hola amigas, ¿qué tal? Welcome back to the World of Travel channel. I'm in Valencia and it means that I have to spend at least one day on la playa, on the beach. Ready for this adventure with me? So, El Cabanyal is a coastal neighborhood which is famous for its colorful tiles. Also, people call it the fisherman neighborhood. In the 19th century, it was an independent municipality under the name of Pueblo Nuevo del Mar. Guys, it's so authentic! However, due to this amount of cars on the road, it's not that possible to film this beautiful neighborhood, unfortunately.
Eres lo que me mueve, lo que me mata.
The colorful houses with title-work facades are known as azulejos, and they make this neighborhood truly distinctive. I'm not sure, maybe I was not supposed to film that area because the woman asked me to stop filming. She said, no, not here, so I assumed that those are the homes of the people and they would not like us to film those houses. But I don't know, if I had a beautiful house, I wouldn't mind someone filming it. You know, it's beautiful, why not?
Eres una fiel amiga.
So, I accidentally found this place on Google Maps and I love the photos and actually it looks great. It looks like a bar or a cafe in Latin America, even though I haven't been to Latin America before. So, I ordered pizza and they warned me that I won't be able to choose the ingredients. But actually I can tell them what I do not like, so I asked them to remove any onions there because I hate onions. So let's see what I got. So it's something like margarita pizza. It has cheese, tomatoes, olive oil. This pizza was the size of my hand and I ordered the second one as I wasn't full. The second pizza was completely different. It had tuna fish, more veggies, and onions. I just forgot to mention not to put it. La Patacona Beach is known for its wide promenade, lined with palm trees, creating a relaxed and picturesque setting. It's a favorite spot for locals and visitors who can enjoy traditional Valencian cuisine in the nearby restaurants. As you see, there are not so many people. It's 7 p.m. and it's super windy and I hope to catch the sunset. However, the sun is on the other side. Not a lucky day for me. But anyway, my Airbnb host advised me to check this beach out, and yeah, I think it's beautiful, and bear in mind that it's half nudist. You will see people without their bras, and just be sure that you're aware of this. La Malvarossa Beach is one of Valencia's most famous urban beaches, and it has a rich history. It's named after the mallow plant that once covered its dunes. It's also the setting of many stories by Valencian writer Blasco Ibáñez. So, Malvarossa is much more crowded, that's true, and it has more activities like volleyball, dancing, and some stuff for kids. Yep. And Patacona is more tranquila, the calm one, just for relaxing. That's the main difference I noticed. So, La Playa de Cabanyal is less crowded than La Malvarossa, and I think it's because it's closer to the port. You know, when the beach is located close to the port, the water is not that clean. And what I noticed, you have to go, I guess you can see it now, like 300 or 400 meters to the water. The coastline is really wide. Cabanyal Beach is an extension of La Malvarossa. What makes it special is its proximity to the Cabanyal neighborhood, allowing you to enjoy the beach and explore the historic district in one visit. The water was so dirty that day. It's the result of the proximity to the port. La Marina De Valencia is a modern waterfall development that has transformed an old industrial port into a vibrant space of leisure and innovation. It's home to the Valley's Event Building, an iconic architectural gem. As a bonus to this video, I'll show you the cafes I visited and share my thoughts on each of them. Let's start with the coffee places. Dulce de leche, a perfect brunch place to grab delicious coffee and pastry. I would say it's 10 out of 10. Los Picos Cafe. Nice atmosphere and nice coffee. However, for me, the coffee was a bit sour. Comic Cafe. It's not that fancy inside, but the coffee was good. Let's move on to the lunch places. As paella. I came here to try paella valenciana. It's a chain of restaurants and you can easily find it anywhere in the city. However, I didn't like it that much, but it was very close to the city center. Mercado Central is a nice option to grab a snack like bocadillos and croquettes. Festinar, the place I showed you earlier in this episode. I like the vibe and the conception of this place. Tiki Taco, another fun place with Mexican food. I ordered a quesadilla, but the portion was too small. But overall, I like the Mexican vibe here, so it's 9 out of 10. Cien Montaditos is a perfect place to grab radler and tapas for a very low price. If you're not that hungry and just want to go out for a drink, that's it. Obie Cafe. I came here to enjoy the glass of tinto de verano and fell in love with its interior. You can also buy books here. Thank you for watching this video. Please let me know if you've been to Valencia and what was your favorite place there.
Por eso ya te olvidé. Y digo que te amo.